Hello everyone, welcome to Sam Whitby Coding, where coding transforms into an exhilarating adventure. If you're passionate about mastering programming languages and uncovering the enchantment of code, you've found your ideal destination. I'm Sam Whitby, your coding companion on this exciting journey. As a small content creator on YouTube, my mission is to make programming accessible, enjoyable and simply fun for all. Whether you're starting from scratch or aiming to enhance your skills, this channel is your ultimate hub for all things code. Here we explore the realms of Python, JavaScript, Java and more. From fundamental concepts to advanced techniques, I simply intricate subjects into digestible, easy to grasp lessons. Anticipate coding tutorials and hands-on projects. However, it's not just about the code, it's also about fostering a community of passionate learners. I want you to feel inspired and supported throughout your coding journey, whether you're troubleshooting a bug or celebrating a coding triumph. We're in this together. So if you're eager to unlock the incredible world of programming and have a blast along the way, hit that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, and remember to ring the notification bell. Let's code with confidence, creativity, and a whole lot of fun. I'll catch you in my next video. Happy coding!